कमान प्रेजेंट्स घर परिवार।
नहीं भाई, घर पर वॉर।
नो, घर पर वॉर।
अरे गुप्ता जी, हाउ आर यू? लवली सनसेट ना? हाउ's the लॉकडाउन गोइंग? बढ़िया है?
अरे गनोत्रा जी, after so long, I'm watching the sunset. And after so long, I am doing work from home. So much of stress, you know?
अरे नमस्कार नमस्कार चपड़ाना जी। We don't see you nowadays. Seems like you are enjoying your lockdown, no?
Earlier it was lockdown. Now it is lockdown.
Sir, don't make fun of me. Look at Gupta ji. He's cooking and not coming out of the kitchen. So good, Gupta ji. कुछ तो भेजिए हाँ. We are hungry.
अरे नमस्ते जेंटलमैन, हाउ इज एवरीवन? आफ्टर सो लॉन्ग वी हैव स्टार्टेड मीटिंग ईच अदर, हैविंग देयर चाय एंड सनसेट also feels so good. है ना गुनोत्रा जी?
Very true. This chai and this sunset has never been so good. And what were you saying about namaste? Huh? बोलिए tell us.
I was saying that in these days of COVID, namaste is the best thing. क्यों सिंह साहब?
Earlier I thought our culture is not bad. Okay. But now I think it is the best.
Namaste Mataji. If you need anything from the market, please tell any one of us. Or do one thing, tell me, I'll get it for you. Okay? Don't worry.
नमस्ते जी, धन्यवाद जी। वैसे my son Abhinav has come back with his family. Nirmala, his wife, they will stay with me in these times. Still now, shukriya.
Okay, I have to go in. I have finished my work and spending lovely time with my family. You know, my ghar parivar. See you all.
The whole society knows about this घर पर वार, especially after last night.
Arey, there was something wrong last night, no? I thought I was the only one who ordered. No? Pandey ji, I told you. Walls have ears too.
Anyway, let us talk about food and forget everything. I have started taking these nice Italian biscuits, you know. Well, I got them from Chandni Chowk, you know, Italian Chandni Chowk. Pandit ji, by the way, you also deal with Italian clients, no? So, how's Italy dealing with COVID?
Ganotraj. Yes, I got to know that domestic violence has increased 55%. And this lockdown is spoiling, yaar. Every country domestic violence report. Ganotra ji.
Exactly. This guy, this would have completely lost it. Last night. That too just after 2 packs. Mere 2 packs. This makes you go mad. It's completely dangerous. And that 55% thing you are talking about, that would only be on papers. The real.
I'm so sorry, Ganotra ji. And what was that 55%? I miss it, Ganotra ji.
No. I will tell you, Chapraji. He was talking about how many. No. What is the number of migrant labor leaving their houses in the city and actually reaching their homes? How much? Kitna? 55%. 55%. Ah, Chapraji, 55%.
Yeah, Seema. I'm coming. Laptop is there. In the cupboard. Yeah. Got it? No. Coming. I will just come back, gentlemen. My family is calling me. Excuse me, please. Excuse me, please.
ये देखो, ये देखो. You saw the long line outside the दारू की दुकान. The liquor shop. That
I am totally against this. And I don't know why people do drink. I don't know.
Ji, drinking once in a while is okay. No issues.
No, Ganotra ji. I'm totally against drinking. Totally.
So, can you hear those dirty Hindi abuses from inside? This Pandey. He is using dirty Hindi abuses. Seems so educated and nice to us. He's using that those that the Hindi abuses, that too for his wife.
Ganotraji, it is like your Italian biscuit. They look nice and educated from outside. But where do they originate from? Yeah, or Chandni Chowk.
Pandey ji is equal to your Italian biscuit.
And nothing, Pandeyji. It is just that Chaplana ji told us that he does not support drinking.
At all. Lovely.
See, I told you. Balls of yours too.
Anyway, Pandeyji, you don't have any office, right? So I was thinking that is your dukaan or that ration ki dukaan, is it opening or not?
क्या बोले? मारूंगा? अच्छा, नीच लफंगे. अरे और क्या आता है? लोगों की सुन के यही कर सकते हो. बस तुम ही हो, तुम. हाँ, देखना.
What are you looking for? Pistol?
No. I was looking for this. It is better to get away from life around and get lost in life on TV. Life which is not us, yet us.
Namaskar. Welcome to News at Night. The corona score in India rise high and high. More people get positive, more people die.
To Evening Talks with Karan. Lakhs of migrant workers in India continue to walk towards their home.
COVID-19 cases rises world over.
Now WHO says Corona is here to stay with humanity forever.
Why are these channels going so negative?
Namaskar. Welcome to News at Night. Let us see, because of lockdown, nature is getting cleaned.
Welcome to Evening Talks with Karan. Well, lockdown is driving many people to go creative. People who are usually very busy can be now seen painting, cooking and whatnot.
We can see so many animals roaming happily.
Now man knows his limits. He had started jumping.
Pandiji! Saw him? This is Abhinav, no? Mataji's son? Roaming with his wife.
Oh yes, Kanutra ji. Wearing that green t-shirt. And he has grown his hair too. Seems very happy also.
We know he is happy. But what? If he spreads COVID in our society, with his young wife, so much of happiness.
But you can walk in the society from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. wearing mask. See, both of them. Abhinav and his wife. They are both wearing a mask. How much is the time, Pandit ji? कितने बजे?
5:30. But if you wear a mask, will you cut off from the sadness in the world? Why so happy?
Chuck these stupid people, Pandiji. We know that we are very happy to each other. No? Let us wear our mask. 1,000 rupees, huh? And this Abhinav, he is young and freshly married. Huh. We all are experienced. We all have our families too. और घर पर वो